Alright, so we're at the entrance and we can currently see the GTR, which is shining with tons of lights. You can see here, it's very nice. They use the theme, the white theme, for all three sport cars. That's the only three sport cars they have here.
Notice the offset on this.
Damn. So for the 2017, it's very nice model, very aerodynamic. The same brakes, but except they changed the side skirts, the front bumper, the lips. Still very nice GTR stance. They changed the wheels as well, and of course, the price has been increased. This is the Canadian price, 125 grand, and that's the base model. They also added LED on the bumper and a more aggressive headlight styling with triple projectors. Very nice. They also changed the grille design in the front. It's for the tow hook, the parking sensors.
Really like the LED on this.
Yeah, man. They redesigned the headlights, and it uses triple LED now.
I want to ask her if she can turn on the lights.
No, they don't have the keys. That's too bad. The guy didn't have the keys, so I cannot, get in and take some nice pictures. But oh my God, these are OEM. Okay, so it's just like a wrapping around. It's like a muffler tip, so it's not as big as you thought it will be, but still very nice. They didn't change much at the rear, mostly the aerodynamics and the lips. But I really like this pearl color. Alright, so now we're heading to the Nismo GTR. Sorry. So now we're heading to the Nismo 370Z. It has some of the GTR DNA into it, but more kind of, affordable, of course. The Nismo pack is really nice. I really like the red lips touch on each lip, and then it has this, Mugen style JDM bumper brake light. Very cool. And the muffler tips are very big, but you can see the real dimension inside.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the toilet before I burst. I'm gonna wait for you to go.
Sure. Like you see all these red lips along with the red calipers. I really like the color combination you have here. Very nice calipers. Brembo, that's 350 and 370Zs are G35, G37 has been using. Okay, so you also have the LEDs on the bumper. They haven't changed the headlights. It's a very nice touch of the red lips for the Nismo package. That's very nice. Alright, so getting into the interior, we have very nice Recall bucket seats. Very thin. I really like it. So it must be very light. The door panels are very nice. It has Swede stitch, red stitched, very nice. And it has this, Very cool aerodynamic vents. And you can see it's very nice cluster. They kind of made it red if I'm not wrong, because I think the stock one isn't like this. This is the Nismo package. It smells like new. Really like it. And of course it's manual seats with very nice leather and red stitched. The middle is in leather. It's very nice racing feel to it. And the seat looks very nice. It's also equipped with an airbag. Okay, that's pretty cool. And like all the 350Z and 370, you have a huge strut tower bar at the rear. Otherwise, it looks very nice. I really like the steering wheel. It's not fully leather, so you have more grip. Okay, so Nissan has this Rogue with a Star Wars theme right here. It's pretty cool. Rogue. This is the Murano, should be. Yeah, we call them. Oh, this is Rogue again. Okay, so many Rogues, Pathfinders. This should be the Armada, the biggest SUV Nissan has. Here's the Murano, fully restyled. I really like the Armada. Has this Infiniti Lexus huge square SUV feel to it. And we have some Sentra here, fully electric Leaf, Nissan Leaf. This one is the, I don't remember all the models. Trying my best. This one is the Versa, yeah, right. Completely forgot about this model. So this one is the Nissan Versa, the new Versa. So this is the Nissan section right here.